Yeah, that storm system moving off to the east. Still seeing some lingering snow showers through this afternoon in our mountains, the Beartooths. Also, the Pryor still seeing a little bit of snow this morning, even down in the Bighorns. The rest of us, though, high pressure really starting to take over, and we got sunshine aplenty in the forecast today through tomorrow. We could see some clouds move in on Sunday out ahead of another system that comes in Monday out of the north. It's going to cool us down just a bit after some of us seeing some 60s Sunday into Monday, but still above average temperatures next week. Could give us some rain and actually could give us a little bit of snow on Tuesday morning. Definitely a chance of snow in the mountains. But really the big story across the weekend, the winds. Now, they're pretty quiet out there right now, but by the lunchtime this afternoon, up and down 191 there, Big Timber to Harlingen, we can have gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour. Just kind of drill this down with timetables here. Saturday night into Sunday, Livingston, Big Timber, Nye, we can have gusts 45 to 55 miles an hour. Sunday night into Monday, Livingston to Nye, gusts 55 to 65 miles an hour. And on Monday, Big Timber over to Harlingen or up to Harlingen, up and down 191 there, we could have gusts 45 to 60 miles an hour. So a wind advisory may be put into effect. We'll have to keep an eye on that. If you're in those areas, watch out if you drive a high-profile vehicle. Generally, for the rest of the area, including here in Billings across the weekend, early part of next week, we're looking at gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour, but maybe stronger in some spots. Getting seasonal today. High of 46, right on target for this time of the year here in Billings. 30s and 40s today. 40s and 50s tomorrow.